why we've created one with a touch of magic. Carefully stow your hand luggage in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. When the seatbelt sign is on, please fasten your seatbelt. Keep it fastened and visible while seated. You can release it as shown here when needed. The crew provides loop belts for infants. It is illegal to smoke on this flight, including electronic cigarettes. It is also strictly prohibited to smoke in the lavatories, which are equipped with smoke detectors. Set your mobile phones and all electronic devices to flight mode. Mobile phones with no flight mode feature and all other electronic devices must be switched off. For takeoff and landing, please unplug them and do not use any headphones connected to your personal electronic devices. Small devices, such as smartphones and tablets, may be held in hand. Laptops and other large devices must be stowed either in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down automatically. Pull the nearest mask over your nose and mouth. Make sure your mask is well adjusted before helping your child. On the command, brace for impact, take the brace position, as you see here. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin at the front, center, and rear. The exit signs help you locate them. Take a moment now to locate the nearest sign, which may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave the aircraft following the exit signs and the illuminated path along the aisle or between the seats. As you exit, please leave all hand luggage, high heels, and sharp objects behind, not to impede the rapid evacuation. Your life vest is located here or here. Place it over your head and pull the straps tight. Inflate as you leave the plane by pulling the red toggles or blowing into the tubes. The light will come on when in contact with water or by pulling the plug on the battery. The crew provides life vests for infants. Please only remove and put the life vest on if instructed to. Inflate it immediately. Exit doors are fitted with slides, which will be operated by the crew in case of an emergency. For takeoff and landing, please make sure that your tray table is closed, your window blind is open, and your seat back is fully upright. Please stow your footrest, video screen, and handset. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please read the safety card in your seat pocket and enjoy your flight. Disabled passengers may refer to specially designed safety video within the in-flight entertainment system. Or simply get in touch with the flight attendants for more details.
Inside our bodies. For example, your eyes can see 10 billion shades of color. Sometimes all you need to do is look up. We can hear thousands of sounds from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Our bodies can withstand temperatures around 60 degrees centigrade. Our tongues can differentiate 100,000 different tastes. Our noses can distinguish more than 1 trillion scents. Knowing each one of them, that's the tough part. Get out there. Explore, see, smell,
закат, мама. Долго сейчас смотреть на другую сторону, может, нет? Вроде. Между зарядки. Программа показывает зарядку, ясно? Ясно? Да? 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 Ну ты же меня не увидел. Слышал, там скоро баба Яга. Слышал, да? В прошлый раз мы взлетали вот это все. Да, телевизор. Я просто знаю, где расположение волос. Баба Яга, там скоро будет. Да ну прикольно же. Мама, все были дети? Тоже можно. Когда смотрите, тогда летел к бабушке первый раз, когда тебе было несколько месяцев, помню, и заболел воспалением легких. Воспалением. Это опасно, больше больницы лежала. По маленькому. Была шанс умереть.
Все тихо.
Что я делала? Посмотри на меня. Ты видишь, какой раскорячки, мама? Если сильно, что в шахматы будем играть с тобой? Лет с пассажиром там сидит, играть не играть. Ясно? Здесь это 2 км в час. Паша. У нас скорость 19 км в час. Понятно. Что я не видел? Самолет это видела?
Что ты такое? Что ты думала?
Это самолет разгонялся. Вот здесь будем разгоняться. Ясно? Ясно?
Да все, Никита, пожалуйста. Молчи.
Нет, нет, поворот. Мама, ты взлетная полоса. Все сворачивай. Плотно сворачивайся. Не сворачивайся со взлетной полосы.
Уходим со
Да,
взлетной?
да.